This is a Venetian, which looks like the similar room that we had in the plaza. You can see same type of layout. We got the closet, big size bed, got the living room. Step down into the table and somewhat of a view over the strip. You see down in the pool, sun's starting to come around, so the pool's starting to get full. Around the couches and the chairs. A couple televisions here. One for down here, one for up there. This one's on the 23rd floor. And the bathroom again. Same thing, separate shower, big tub. Toilet's in its own room. Television. This is not too bad a room. It's an adjoining room. So that's what it looks like.